Unconditional. Ooh. In this morning's Heart to Heart, we're taking a look at the concept of platonic love. And here with us now, marriage and family therapist, Bishop Dr. Carla Dunbar, no stranger to smile, and her associates, Travis Mouchette and Sheena K. Sinclair. Welcome to you all. Thank you for being here this morning. Bishop, don't laugh after me.
I'm not.
So when we talk about platonic, right, we're always talking about eros and passion and so on, so on, so, but a lot of our hearts are intertwined with our friends, right? And our friends make us who we are. So when we talk about platonic, we're talking about agape. Is that the link?
No, agape is the universal, it's unconditional love. Platonic more talks about friendship, so it's filial love. Platonic is actually filial love.
Okay.
Philia is a Greek,
okay,
which talks about friendship.
Okay.
Or familial love.
All right. Okay. There are many who think that men and women cannot have a platonic relationship.
Lies.
Foolishness.
Lies.
Rubbish it, Bishop.
Lies.
You know, if anybody can mash
lies.
That,
mash down that lie. I was about to say lies.
Yeah. So I'm reading here, it says a platonic relationship is one with no romantic or sexual features, but it means more than just friends. Deepen that for me a little bit.
Right. Because, you know, when persons talk about besties, for besties, you know, you can share intimacy, you know. That again is another thing because people relate intimacy only to sex. Intimacy is a deep and profound knowing. You know, it actually stems from yada, a deep kind of knowing of being in touch with somebody, their feelings, their emotions, that kind of thing, because you take it to another level. Your friendship is at another level where you're not afraid to share secrets and you have your back. You know, the Jenna thing is more than that, right?
My G.
Yeah,
yes.
G, right.
So this says, this bond is a type of love experience when we identify people with positive qualities that we feel complete us.
Exactly. Yes.
That's powerful.
As friends.
Yes.
As friends.
Yes.
As friends. And we can relate.
Your friends?
Yes.
Do you feel like you complete each other in a friend way?
Especially when we have a microphone together.
Yeah.
Yes,
okay,
we
so
work
tell me
together.
about the friendship. You guys work together?
Yes.
Okay. Go on, man, tell me.
Okay, so we work in the ministry together, Cultivating Ministries International, and the Church Life Temple Ministries International. And we also do hosting duties. So when we both have mics, we complement each other, the yin to the yang.
Tell me a little bit about the things in her as a friend that resonate with you.
Her spontaneity.
Yeah.
I'm a spontaneous person. And though I'm spontaneous, I'm calculated. Sometimes ideas will come to my head and I say, no, but she's going to do it. So sometimes I'm thinking of saying something at a spur moment while I have the microphone and I'll hold it back. She gets it out there. I'm like, oh, you know, I was thinking about saying that.
And
I would just play upon that and then I finish the
sentences.
sentences. You know, so that helps us to be more cohesive.
That's the yin. What about the yang?
The yang. So I remember when we just met, I was doing the gala night, and he's like, no man, this is more than a church, you know, we're not boring, you know, let me show you. And then he pulled something from deep inside of me where I could really be myself without wondering or being worried about what the crowd thinks. And I was like, yo, I need to do more shows with him, like a compare.
And that's what is a good standard of platonic love.
That is it. You understand? You look for these characteristics, you find them, they click naturally. They click and you know that, you know, you can gel and you can talk because it's almost like I'm reading your mind. Like Travis said a while ago, she completed what he was about to say but did not say. You understand? So that's what it's about. Platonic love speaks a lot to that because it doesn't have the romantic and the eros and the storge like you spoke to just now, because of course romantic love needs that. But when you are just friends with somebody, and let me just not say just friends, when you are friends with someone, then you get the full platonic, you get the full philia. The philia, I'm feeling you, I'm understanding you.
Philia that fulfills.
Yes.
Yes. But you need the
philia.
platonic to be able to build everything else around, right?
You know, there's a song, remember that song that says, how can we be lovers if we can't be friends?
Yes.
All right,
Yes.
so you need to be friends, actually.
Yes.
To be good lovers,
Right.
you really need to be friends.
Right. So how do you work on, in the same way you counsel your folks in marriage therapy, building on your erotic or your love
Or
in
the
love
storge,
relationships, right? How do you advise folks to deal with their do you see folks who
Yeah,
Working
this
on their
just friends.
platonic
Yes,
relationship?
just working on
So
friendship
how do
relationship.
you motivate them? How do you encourage them to build on that?
I encourage them to get to know each other. It's important to talk about stuff so that you can get an understanding, because the truth is, I really can't know you if you don't really tell me about you, because you know you more than I would know you. So when you tell me about you, so it's about sharing. You know, when you're sharing somebody and you understand that they are looking at you, they are intent, they are listening to you, they are trying to take everything that you're saying and not just to take it in a way that, you know, it's non-productive, but to take it in a way that is going to benefit you and benefit them in the relationship. So I encourage persons to do that, you know, to spend time and to talk and to share your thoughts, your feelings, your ideas, your aspirations with each other.
I love how you qualified a while ago the statement "just friends." How we say it all the time?
All the time.
But friend is such a big deal that there's no just about
No.
it. I mean, it's one thing when your partner hurts you, but when you ride or die hurts you, that's a different kind of pain.
Saying. Yes, it's different, because you expect that they must have your back.
Yeah.
You understand they're going to stand up for you, they're going to defend you in certain things. And when that doesn't happen, it breaks your heart, it breaks, it erodes trust completely. You know, and it takes a while for that again to be rebuilt, because, you know, like they said, trust has to be rebuilt, although it can be a choice. You can choose, just like the agape love. Agape love is an intellectual love. You understand? You choose to love the person irrespective, so there's no reason behind the loving more than that you are choosing to love.
Excellent. Boy, what a great segment. Thank you guys for sharing.
You're welcome.
We really appreciate the insight. It's very important.
Very, very.
It's so important. Can be lonely for a partner, but when you're lonely, have no friends.
Everybody needs a friend, at least four.
At least four?
At least four.
Four? Four friends?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's
at different levels. All of them are at different
levels. You have
They're at
different
different
tiers.
levels. They're tiers.
A friend for everything.
Like
Friend for every
credit
situation.
Okay. Actually, you just have for the right one at the right. Appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much. Marriage and family therapist, Bishop Dr. Carla Dunbar and her associates, Travis Machette and Sheena K. Sinclair. We're right back after this to wrap things up. Soon come.